So now that we shine this thing up with a little bit of linseed oil and mineral spirits, it's time to do something with these wheels. It ain't gonna be much. So I'm gonna do something that's kind of risky, but it might look all right. We'll see. We'll see what happens. So what I'm thinking is painting these guys white. Spoofing this up a little bit, painting that back to black. Same with back here. Painting this back to black. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But if white doesn't look good, I'll just paint them black. It'll be alright. Black will definitely look good. I've seen a picture with one almost identical to this truck. And this is a 1986 F250 with the 460 and a 4-speed 4-wheel drive. Pretty fun truck. I'm just going to do one wheel right now just to see if I like it, if it looks good on the back. If it does, we're going to continue forward with it. If not, we're going to go to black. So let's get to jacking it up. Let's take this tire off. Let's clean this all up. See how it looks. Let's roll. Now that that's off, I'm going to kind of spray up on that, make that look a little bit better. And then also over here, here's the tire. And here's the rim. Just need to clean all this up. Yep. Okay.
Okay.
You know what to do?
You do?
You got it?
Bye.
Yeah. Alright. So we're going to clean this up. And we're going to put some white paint on it. We're going to prime it first. And then we're going to put some white paint on it. We'll let this dry just a little bit, maybe about 5-10 minutes or so, and then I'll spray it one more time with the sprayway and get it extra clean. But now that I'm looking at it, this silver on here actually looks pretty good. I'm probably doing a mistake, but you know what? Hey, it's an old farm truck. It doesn't really matter. I'm still gonna go for it. Whatever, it doesn't matter. It'll look good regardless. Alright, now that I've waited about 10 minutes or so, I'm just going to give it a light little dusting there. I'll take a fresh rag and just kind of wipe it down. It looks like we're not getting much of anything, which is good. It means it's clean. So. Okay. I know, I've seen the fancy videos where you pop it off the bead and you put the trash bag on, or put the cards in, and this is what I've done for years. Just do this and just keep going around. Still works, all the same. So, and also, like I said, this is just an old farm truck, and it's not a show truck. You're not going to be getting all up close and going, oh, he didn't use the trash bag trick, or he didn't use the other trick or that trick. There's 1.5 million ways of doing this. It's not a show truck. I just want it to look good from 20 feet or so. 10 feet, you're not even going to see it. So this might even be a 10-footer. Shoot, that might be the best looking car in my driveway after that. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this automotive primer by Rust-Oleum. Cheap stuff. I like this better than the duplicate color. So we're gonna just spray this down, just one thin little coat, since it's already kind of roughened up a little bit. We'll let that dry for probably about 10 or 15 minutes, and we'll come by and we'll just kind of touch it with a tack rag, make sure there's no dust nibs on it and stuff like that. And then we'll apply the white, probably do 2 coats of white, and that'll do it. Not bad. Actually looks pretty cool, this color. I kind of like it. So we'll let that dry for about 10 to 15 minutes and then we'll apply the white. But right now, this is good enough for me. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the white, and this is what I got right here. It's good for metal, wood, and more. So, and it's a lacquer. We'll try and apply this guy in here. See how it looks. So now after the first coat, I did get a little bit around the tire, but like I said, a little bit of mineral spirits that comes right up. So I'm going to let this dry for probably 15 to 20 minutes. I'll apply the second coat and I'll really clean up these edges around here. Really get those perfect. So far, I think I like it. I really like the gray. I really like the silver. And I think I like the gray even better. The white, I think, is where it's at. Let's wait about 15 minutes and we'll apply that second coat. We should be good to go. So now that the second coat's on there, it looks pretty good to me. I need to go around with some mineral spirits and just kind of clean it up around the edges. And should be good to go. But I think it looks pretty darn good to me. And like I said, I don't want it to be perfect because this truck is far from perfect. And excuse the towels and stuff I got over here. But this truck is from Colorado. It's got rust. But it's a cool truck, and that's why I put the little shine juice stuff on it over the patina. Just makes it pop a little bit, you know. That's good. So while we're waiting for that to dry, I'm just going to clean this up a little bit. Let that soak in just a little bit. And this is a good degreaser if you didn't know. And then we'll apply some of this on there. Alright, I think it's dried far enough. Put this.
The truck.
Yep, going on the truck.
Oh, your jar. Jar. The butt. Horse. Oh. It's beautiful.
Uh-huh. Just looking at it right now. I just don't know. Looking at that. And looking at that. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. I think I like the white. I'm gonna do them all white. That's just it. I'm gonna do them all white. A lot of you probably don't like it. It's such a hit or miss. I wouldn't say I'm in love with it, but I like it. And that's all that matters, because it's my truck. There's your sound check for you. So let's zip this back on and let's do the rest of them. completed all 4 tires. They're a little wet. I just gave them a little wash here. But I absolutely love it. These look so good. I am so happy with it. It just kind of makes the truck pop a little bit. Not that the you know, our little shining up here with the little linseed oil didn't do enough, but the white just makes it pop, and I absolutely love it. I'm so glad I didn't go with the black. Really glad that I went with the white, and I kind of shined up on these centers here. It just, I'm just astonished at how much that just brought this truck together. Just simple stuff, you know. This only took maybe 4 hours total. It wasn't that long. Hardest part was jacking it up and putting on jack stands in the grass. That's the hardest part. But other than that, you take your time with it, you'll have really good results, and I'm very happy with this. Really happy. So we're gonna end it off like that. If you guys like content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you haven't already, hit the like button, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Take it easy.